Okay, everyone, we have yet another field strip, this time the Rost Martin RM1C. Now, we've done the RM1 before, but this is the compensated version. If you've seen our other breakdown video, this will be very similar to that and or like Glock firearms. First thing we'll do is remove the magazine, make sure that there is no ammunition. Pull back on the slide and check inside the actual slide itself. Next, point in a safe direction, press the trigger. Now you're going to simultaneously pull down on both takedown pins on either side of the frame while pulling backward on the slide. Once you've gone just a little distance, you should be able to push the slide forward and it'll pop right off. From here, compress the recoil spring and drop it out. Next, push down on the barrel, slide it forward just a little bit, and then pull it free. All right, the field strip is complete. Let's reassemble. We're going to reinsert the barrel, pull it back until it drops into place. Make sure that the yellow end of the spring is toward the front of the slide. Put that in and then compress it and push it down until it's seated on this shelf. Finally, you're going to need to reinstall the slide back on the frame. Unlike a Glock, where you actually start all the way from the back, you actually put the slide in right here and then pull back. So our first function check, we'll point in a safe direction, press the trigger and hold it back. Rack the slide, and then slowly release the trigger until you hear reset. Very good. Reinsert the magazine, and then pull to the rear to check last round hold open. This firearm is functioning perfectly. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the Rost Martin RM1C. I encourage you to sign up for our newsletter. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.